Huh?
I don't know what happened. Stalled it, dude.
Just tipped.
What?
You just fucking stuck your foot out on the right side and there was nothing there. Chris likes to take us out and beat us in the first, you know, half a mile.
Well, those whoops fucking suck ass in the first place. You know?
Well, you haven't been out in a while.
I'm tired.
You're tired. I got 30 years on you. I'm tired too.